Good morning, friends. Today we are going to see a program on virtual and friend function. Virtual function is nothing. It's virtual means it existence in appearance but not in reality. When a virtual function is used, a program that appears to be calling a function of one class may in reality be calling a function of a different class. Here we have a virtual function of a virtual void get data. This part of the program won't run because it's under the virtual part. It's under the function is under virtual, and this part also will not get executed because it's virtual void put data. And in friend class we have nothing called it's nothing but a friend is used. Uh, a friend function is used inside a class because a class private cannot be accessed by another class. So but we can if we use the friend function, we can access the datas in a class and we can use it somewhere else. And like here where we have a matrix, we just enter rows and columns of a matrix and the elements, and we use a friend class and we can use it in the void sum or and in void multiplication. First we'll go into virtual. Inside this we have a class publication, and this is the publication get data and put data, but this won't get executed. Then we have a class called books. Under the class book we have get data of books. We get the book name and the number of pages, and input data we show the number of name of the book and the pages. And then we have a class called tape where we get the data of name of the tape and the number of time it has been playing, and we just display it again. And inside the in main we just get the details of the book and we just use it in a for loop and just display it. Same goes for the tape. And then at last we just add those two and we display it. Now we'll run the program. So name of the book, number of pages, name of second book, number of pages, name of the tape, number of the time, name of the second tape, and time taken. At last it displaying the total number of pages by adding these two, and the playtime of tape by adding these two. That's it. And then in under a virtual and friend we have a matrix. We just get the data from the matrix. We just put the element inside the matrix using the put function here. And then we have a sum of matrix x and y, where we just add both the sum. If the dimensions are not equal, we display the multi-dimensions are not equal. And under the multiplication we have two matrices and we multiply it using two for loops, and we get the multiplication of each one. And after that, if dimensions are not equals, we again display the dimensions are not equals. And same goes for subtraction. It's just like addition. And at last we in main we just declare. I will run the program. First matrix, number of rows, let me give 2, number of columns also 2, so the elements will be 1, 2, 3 and 4. Second matrix, number of rows, that will be 2, columns 2, so elements 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have the first matrix, the second matrix, and the sum of two matrices, and the subtraction of two matrices, and the multiplication of two matrices. Hence it has been proved. Thank you.